Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to find topics for Pinterest. Finding popular topics on Pinterest involves using the built-in search bar for autocomplete suggestions, utilizing dedicated Pinterest trends tool to analyze search volume and check in suggested topics feature while creating pins. Right, you can use the built-in search bar, right, or you can just go ahead and search for Pinterest trends tool, and inside you're going to be able to see what's trending right now, right? Keyword research helps identify high volume trends, while exploring categories helps discover new niche content areas. So you can see here, this is the trend, right? Watering and irrigation. If you want to know more, you can just go ahead and log in or sign up, right? Or you can use the already built in, of course, search in Pinterest, right? And just search for your niche. You're gonna find the trending Pinterest pins, basically. So consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.